I'm going to go drive to my new house that I'm moving into. I'm so excited. All my friends moved in over the weekend, but obviously I was gone. So I'm gonna be slowly moving in over the week, but I'm just gonna stop by really quick. Here's Claire's room.
Hello, you too.
Hello.
This is my sister.
Say hello.
Hi.
Your room is great. There's like this sink area. It's kind of random. And then there's bathroom. Pretty basic. This is a closet. Then you go up these. This is Ashlyn's room. It's super pretty. It has these awesome windows. I'm so jealous. Her windows are amazing. Washer and dryer. Another bathroom. This bathroom is a little bit bigger. More bedrooms. KG's room.
This is my room. It's a mess because it's itty bitty and I have to wait for all my storage stuff to come in the mail.
You guys, KG's room's tiny.
It's little.
Itty bitty.
But it's okay because I'm little.
She's making it work and she's little. Whose room is this, KG? Okay, yeah, this is Lindsay's room. And here we have the living room and kitchen. So the kitchen's pretty small. Up here, there's another bathroom. This is the bathroom that I think me and Lindsay are gonna be sharing. And it just looks like that, pretty basic. My room, I'm so excited. So you walk in, there's kind of like this little hallway. I'm really digging it. And this is a little closet. It's not super big. It actually goes in more than I thought though. So that's pretty awesome. Oh my God, guys, I'm so excited. And then this is my room. So I have a bunch of windows and awesome lighting, which is great. I ordered a bed and some light wall sconces that I want to put up. Really digging it. Yay, this is my room. I'm gonna go get some stuff and unpack it right now. And I'll see you in a sec. Okay, one last thing to show you guys that's super cool about this house. The little cherry on top is we have a little rooftop, which is awesome. This will be such a fun place to hang out for 3 months out of the year when it's not raining. Okay, I see a bee, so I'm gonna go. But that was fun. We had fun. So the one thing that I'm hoping that I maybe can do is, you see this top light out here? I'm thinking you can remove that and add whatever kind of pendant light you want. So that would be so cool to add. That just makes rooms so customized and like so your own room. Sit, Teddy, sit. No. Oh, bye. Bye, Griff. So I am running a few errands right now. CVS haul. I just got some travel stuff. I got this Travel Sonic toothbrush. I thought this was really cool. Travel mouthwash, travel face wash, travel toothpaste, and some gum. Guys, I'm at the airport right now. Headed to Indiana today. My flight leaves in 50 minutes, so I really gotta get going. I'm going to Indiana for my last race with NASCAR. As you guys know, I previously went to Las Vegas, Phoenix, and North Carolina with them, and I did 3 different videos on Brianna Daniels, Jamie Little, and Samantha Bush. This last video I'm making for them is about how NASCAR has influenced fashion, so that should be pretty cool. But you guys didn't know that. I've done some research on it, and I'm honestly not prepared enough for this video, but that's okay. I am bringing along Tiffany.
Hello.
Tiffany was in my last video on my main channel. She's a photographer. She's gonna help me film, take photos. We're gonna have fun. It's gonna be great. We honestly only met like a month ago. Like, bet you didn't think you were gonna be going on a random trip with me. Just landed in Indianapolis, and in the airport they've got a ton of stuff all about the race this weekend. Here in the airport we have a stock car. Over my travels with NASCAR, I've learned so much about it. Tiffany doesn't know anything, so the first thing I want to teach you, that car right there, a lot of people will call it a NASCAR. That's wrong. Okay, so like NASCAR stands for National Association of Stock Car Automobile Racing. So to call it a NASCAR, like, it doesn't make sense. Do you get it? So technically it's a stock car. So that's the first thing. If you see a car that drives a NASCAR, you don't call it a NASCAR, you call it a stock car. Green, but it turns red every time. Whoa! This view is so cool. Oh my gosh. That's gonna be so cool at night. I love this view. I forgot I bought this travel toothbrush and it's in this clamshell kind of packaging, which is really hard to open without scissors, and I don't have any scissors with me. Oh, I think I actually ripped a little bit. Oh, I got it, you guys, thank goodness. You know what I love about hotel rooms? I love how symmetrical they are and how they have lights on either side. So in my new room that I'm slowly moving into, I actually ordered 2 wall sconces so that I can have that same symmetry in my room. It's like 1 a.m. It's hard to sleep when you're on East Coast time, but I'm going to try to, and I'm gonna try and wake up early and go work out. Okay, good morning. I'm an idiot. I just woke up. It's 11. I set an alarm for 8. I wanted to wake up. I wanted to work out. I had plans for the day, and now I woke up at 11. To be fair, it's like 8 a.m. in Washington right now. What the Alright. They have a little coffee station, but it's not a Keurig, so it looks slightly confusing, but not that confusing. I figured it out. Hopefully it works. You drive me crazier than a wingless bee. So back in February, when I was first contacted about going on these NASCAR trips and experiencing NASCAR, my first thought was just, okay, like that's kind of cool, because even though I don't know anything about the sport, especially coming from Seattle and it not having like a cool reputation, I would say, I'm still down to learn. The whole point of the trips was for us to just learn about it and experience it and like post on Instagram. And I haven't really showed you, but every time that we go on these trips, they literally just want us to have fun. It is super fun. Along the way, I've also gotten the chance to document different stories and videos that I've wanted to, but I haven't shown you guys that we do really fun things on all these trips, and I've met some really cool people on these trips. All ready to go, running late as usual, and I'm wearing all black today. I don't know, I was just kind of feeling it. Alright, I have an hour and a half of free time before I have to go do some stuff tonight. So I'm taking my umbrella and I'm going to go explore Indianapolis. It's very rainy and I did not bring a raincoat like an idiot, so that was so unnecessary, wow. Now we will adventure out into the city. I'll put your best dress on, better make it black. I'm going out, but I'm not. Okay, this place has mini bowling, which is like awesome because the bowling ball for me is always way too heavy.